Handling of a microscope. Always hold the microscope with both the hands in an upright position while carrying it. Don't hold the microscope from the vertical tube and always work on it by standing behind the microscope. Keep the microscope in upright position and do not move the stage in a slanting position. Be careful so that objective lens should not touch the slide in any case. While adjusting, do not move the lens downward. It should always be moved from bottom towards upward direction. Clean the lenses and metal parts including stage with tissue paper or muslin cloth. Place the microscope on the table in the right way.